This video guides you through installing a towing hook, specifically a trailer hitch receiver, on a Nissan Murano 2 from 2008 to 2015. This allows you to tow trailers, boats, or use it for vehicle recovery. Note that a towing hook typically refers to an aftermarket trailer hitch receiver. We'll cover the key steps and safety considerations for a successful DIY or professional installation. Towing hooks for the Nissan Murano 2 come in two main types. A receiver hitch mounts rigidly to the rear subframe and allows attachment of various towing accessories like ball mounts. A recovery hook, such as a D-ring, is used for tow straps during vehicle recovery situations. Before installing, ensure your Murano has the 3.5-liter V6 engine for the maximum 3,500 pounds towing capacity. This engine provides the necessary power for safe towing. Check for an existing wiring harness to connect trailer lights and brakes. If none exists, you'll need to add one for proper electrical connections and safety. For installing a towing hook on the Nissan Murano 2, you'll need specific tools and materials. The essential items include a hitch receiver kit, mounting brackets, grade 8 bolts, and a wiring harness if trailer lights are involved. You'll also need a socket set for bolts, a torque wrench to ensure proper fastening, and jack stands for safely lifting the vehicle. The installation typically takes 2 to 4 hours, and compatible parts cost between $150 and $400. Secure the hitch to the frame rails, not just the bumper, for proper stability and safety. Many kits are bolt-on for the Murano 2, but you may need to drill precise holes if required. Tighten all fasteners to the manufacturer's specified torque, such as 100 to 150 foot-pounds, to prevent vibrations and ensure a secure fit. Follow the instructions included with the hitch, as specific steps can vary by kit. If your Murano doesn't have a factory wiring harness, you'll need to install one to connect trailer lights and brakes. Start by checking under the rear bumper for existing electrical connectors. Prepare your wiring harness kit by unpacking it and identifying the wire colors. Common colors include white for ground, yellow for left turn signals, green for right turn signals, brown for running lights, and red for brakes. Refer to the included diagram for proper connections. Locate the vehicle's taillight wiring harness under the rear bumper. Use T-tap connectors or splice the wires securely. Secure all connections with electrical tape to prevent shorts. After installation, test all lights including brakes, turn signals, and running lights. Use a multimeter to verify proper voltage and check functionality with a trailer connected if possible. Safety is paramount when installing and using a towing hook on your Nissan Murano 2. First, ensure the hitch is rated for your intended load. Using an improperly rated hitch can cause severe frame damage to your vehicle. Always test connections and verify that trailer lights are functioning correctly before towing. Faulty wiring can lead to accidents and legal issues. Proper weight distribution is crucial for safe towing. Consider using a weight distribution hitch for heavier loads to maintain stability. Never overload the vehicle beyond its rated towing capacity. Overloading can cause loss of control, as shown in this illustration of an improperly loaded trailer. When installing a towing hook on your Nissan Murano 2, avoiding common mistakes can prevent costly repairs and ensure safety. Let's review the most frequent errors and how to steer clear of them. One common mistake is drilling into exhaust components during installation. Always double-check your measurements before drilling to avoid damaging the exhaust system. Another error is using incorrect torque values when tightening bolts, which can lead to loose connections over time. Use a torque wrench and follow manufacturer specifications precisely. Be aware of rust issues, especially in humid climates, as standard hitches can corrode quickly. Consider using a stainless steel hitch for better durability. Finally, after installation, remember to check for loose bolts after driving for 50 miles. This simple step can catch any settling issues early. Looking ahead, newer vehicles are increasingly adopting hybrid and electric towing setups for better efficiency and lower environmental impact. The Murano 2, however, remains a practical choice for current towing needs with its established capabilities. A booming trend in DIY customization means plenty of online tutorials are available for enhancing the Murano 2's towing features. This hands-on approach allows owners to add modern touches affordably. However, the Murano 2's future outlook is limited as an older model. Any upgrades will primarily focus on retrofit compatibility with newer safety systems. Its towing niche is shrinking, so weigh the investment carefully if planning to upgrade to a newer vehicle soon.